Record na. So, record na daan karon.
Okay, sir. Mag-share
Share screen po.
Share. Alright. So, makita naman ni mo, sir, no?
Makita na. Record na, ma'am, para magsugod.
Right.
So, ana na lang, ma'am. Imagine na lang you are discussing sa klase. Wala ka nag-discuss sa ako. Aron ma-address po nimo sila. Dili ako ra imong i-address when you discuss.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Oh, nauna lang na minaw ming tanan nimo.
Okay. All right. So let me start my report for this afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Joanne Maghuyop, and I'm a student here at J.H. Charillas State College. So this afternoon, I'm going to discuss about discussion method. The methods, and this is in the subject methods of teaching literature. Okay, so when we say discussion method, a discussion is an activity of sitting and talking about a specific subject. So when we have this, when we apply the discussion method, there should be a specific subject that we are going to talk about or discuss so that we can understand about the topic and dig deeper about it. And the word discussed has been derived from the Latin discutere, which means to shake or to strike. And thus, discussion refers thoroughly shaking up the subject, that is examining thoroughly to reach a conclusion. So kanidang discussion, we have to reach to a conclusion that is good for everyone, that we can all understand what is the topic all about. So the purpose of this discussion, of the discussion method, is that it can reach a conclusion. Another one is, another meaning of discussion method is the means by which we can share our experiences and ideas. So each of us have our experiences, each of us have ideas. So we can learn from each other through the experiences and ideas that we are going to share through a discussion. So daghan ka itag ma-learn nga idea kung ang method nga discussion atong i-apply. Kay mag-share man ta sa atong mga idea. It enables us to engage in an orderly verbal interchange to express thoughts on a particular subject. So each of us have an idea of a particular subject. So if we share that to others, maybe they will also know about it, and because of that, they will be also benefited with the idea that we have. And discussion involves two-way communication between participants. So there should be a communication, two-way, na ay mag-istorya na apoy maminaw. And verbal interchange, and to express thoughts on a particular subject. So more on speaking and sharing opinions and ideas through the people. And in a classroom situation, all teachers and students will participate in a discussion. So in a classroom, makaparticipate ang mga estudyante. And the students will be able also to share their ideas. And because of that, everyone will know about will know more about the topic, and mas exciting siya kay tanan man makaistorya. And ang gusto ra pud maistorya mo, they can also learn more ideas because of it. Like for example, thinking creative design. During the discussion, the teacher spends some time listening while the students spend some time talking. The discussion is therefore a more active learning experience for the students than the lecture. So kani siya more active learning than the lecture because everyone will be able to participate. And the characters of discussion method. These are the characters of a discussion method. So in a discussion method,
Characteristics.
yes, sir. Sir?
Characteristics, ma'am.
Okay.
Dili characters.
All right. Characteristics of discussion method. So characteristics, what are the characteristics? This one is a discussion method. It ensure maximum participation because in a discussion, a teacher or the one who is hosting the meeting can ask somebody to discuss or share about his or her ideas. And the students have the opportunity to criticize and evaluate. So whatever has been discussed, the student is free to criticize and evaluate about the topic or subject. Logical and meaningful criticism should be accepted. So there's no, even though it's positive or negative, anything should be accepted because it's just an idea or it's just an idea or a thought that they are sharing or any theory. But it should be accepted. And students should anchor the discussion themselves. They should also learn to participate. And the teacher who is leading the discussion should guide the students on what to do, on the rules of the discussion, or what are they gonna share. My idea is the teacher can have a sample topic and questions so that through that questions and they will be able to share their ideas if there's questions. So if we will have discussion, if we will also apply the discussion method, we should also consider relevant topic. It's very important that the topic should be relevant so that every ideas that has been shared will have meaning and will be applied and will be applied in our life or in our teaching. So it should be relevant, meaning it should be important and it should be important to everyone. And in the end, teacher draws
Excuse me,
conclusion.
ma'am.
Yes. Yes, sir.
In the case of teaching literature
Yes.
using discussion method, no,
Yes.
uh, we are not free to choose the topic to be relevant because it is stipulated in our course outline or in our lesson plan.
Yes, sir.
In the case of you teaching in college, right?
Yes, sir.
So dili ta free nga mopili sa mga relevant topic kay naka-stipulate naman daan sa atong course syllabus unsa nga topic atong diskusyon anang panahona, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Unsa nga selection, literary selection.
Yes,
So
sir.
it is the job of the teacher to make the topic relevant. Now dili ta mag-choose og relevant nga topic, kundi ang challenge sa teacher is bahala pag dili relevant ang topic, buhaton siyang relevant dito sa classroom. No? So it's not the choosing but the making of a topic nga mahimo siyang relevant. Kaya dili man ta mo free to choose the topic, especially sa mga high school, dili sila mo free nga choose sa topic kay naka-stipulate naman sa ilang curriculum guide kung unsa nga literary piece ang ilahang diskusyon karon nga adlaw. So ang challenge diha is to make this literary piece relevant using discussion method. No? So dili sila free nga mangita. No, I don't know with you sa college kung free ba mo mangita sa literary piece or naka-stipulate na daan niya karong adlaw ang atong discussion is Shakespeare. So challenge na sa teacher kung unsaon niya paghimo nga relevant si Shakespeare anang adlaw. So dili ang pagpili kundi ang pag-facilitate aron mahimong relevant. No?
Yes.
I notice nga ang imong
Yes, sir.
discussion about discussion method is
Yes, sir.
in general.
Okay, sir.
No? O in general siya. Ang discussion method nga atong gi-focus diri is the use of discussion method in teaching literature. No?
Okay.
So pwede man po na siya, no? Ang discussion method can be used not only in teaching literature but also can be used in other teaching language, teaching mathematics, teaching science. But ang focus nato dire is the use of discussion method in teaching literature. So I hope nga ang imong mga example later on is mga literature example nga gigamitan og discussion method. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, continue ma'am. Gamay na lang kulang no in the end.
Thank you. Thank you so much for noting that, sir. I will remember that and I'll be able to apply that in my next topic. So we're gonna focus on discussion method based on literature. Okay, there's types of discussion method. So in my research, I've found out that there are types of discussion method. We have panel discussion, formal discussion, informal discussion, and parliamentary discussion. In a panel discussion, there's a group of people who are chosen to talk about the topic or the subject. So most of them are expertise of the said topic or subject, so that everything that they will be saying will be um kana sila mga importante nga tao nga their expertise of their field aron mahisgutan pag maayo ang topic nga ilang i-discuss. So mo ni siya ang klase sa panel discussion. Naaray mga chosen people nga mag-discuss sa atubangan ug ang uban maminaw na audience.
Ma'am, excuse.
Yes.
Can we apply this in our classroom when we teach literature?
This literature
Panel discussion.
I believe
kaning panel discussion pwede nato ni siya gamiton sa classroom kung mag-discuss ta pananglitan og kuan Dante Alighieri. Or let's go Philippine literature, if we discuss how my brother became a wife, can we make use of panel discussion?
I think it depends,
sa teaching literature na taman ba?
Teaching literature.
Pangunta na lang ako ma'am is pwede ba siya gamiton?
Pwede sir. If there's an expert.
So pwede siya gamiton. So ang mga siguro dili expert no, ang mga panel siguro is ang mga estudyante or unsa man gipasabot nimo, pwede ka mag-invite og mga teachers, teacher expert, pasit down nimo sa imong classroom to do panel discussion, then ang mga estudyante maminaw.
Murag depende garo sir.
Wala sa inyong eskwelahan kaya dili?
Murag dili sir.
Nga naay mga dili no? So dili, kung pwede lang siguro, piliyon lang siguro to nimo katong mga bright nga mga estudyante. I-task nimo sila nga 5 sila kabuok, butang nimo sila sa tubangan, panel discussion, but prior to that, 1 week before siguro, gitagaan na nimo sila og task nga oy tagang task niyo mag-panel discussion mo about Dante Alighieri ha. Dayon mao ni ang mga points nga i-discuss ninyo. So katong mga bright no, pwede sila. Dayon ang uban maminaw na lang. No, ang uban sa murag audience na lang ang uban. So pwede ni siya panel discussion can be used as a method in teaching literature. No?
Yes, sir.
See to it lang nga ang imong pilion is katong mga capable. So dili tanan kay otherwise walay padulngan ang panel discussion kung ang imong pilion no katong mga katong mga minus-minus, no?
Okay.
So dili na ingon nga kuan ha discrimination, pero
sir.
the fact is lisod man gud kung ang mga minus-minus imong padiskusyon, magbalik na pud ka sa teacher, baliko na pud nimo kay wala nimo na kita sa ilaha ang gusto nimong gipangita about the topic, no? So mao nang guidean gyud ang mga student when they do panel discussion. No, mag-assign ba ka 5 ka buok. No, imo gyud tong i-orient, tawgon gyud to nimo nga oy kamong 5. I-task mo na ako next week. Yung mo ni buhaton na to panel discussion kang Dante Alighieri. Then mo ni ang mga points nga gusto nako nga ipagawas panahon sa panel discussion mo ni inyong diskussan. So murag naa moy rehearsal. No?
Oh yes sir.
So sa classroom. Okay, say continue ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much sir. Now we also have after panel discussion we also have formal discussion. This is where a teacher will group the students and the teacher can give them a topic or some questions that they will be able to discuss in each of their group. So by na groupings nga sila na mismo ang bawat group will discuss about the topic or the subject. So mo na siya ang formal discussion.
Provided ni sila ma'am og guide questions gikan sa teacher.
Yes sir. They provided
so,
with guide questions.
Ang imong klase 40 ka buok, small group discussion nimo, formal discussion sa 5-5. So expected nga na ay 8 ka grupo.
Yes sir.
So unsay buhaton nimo sa 8 ka grupo? 8 ka small group.
There will be
imuhang kung i-divide siya sa classroom, in every corner of the classroom, so ikaw nga teacher, you will go around.
Yes.
Isa-isa nila.
Yes, I will go around and listen to the topic that ngayon lang gipang hisgutan, sir.
And also, so mag-facilitate ka.
Facilitate. Then I also at the end of the groupings na I mo represent in each of the group about the outcome of their discussion.
Summary, no? Presentation, yes. Summary sa ilang discussion. Then
yes,
ang teacher, after sa 8 ka summary, yes, the teacher will give the synthesis sa 8.
Okay.
No? Or pwede po nga every reporter mo interrupt si teacher, mo discuss, no? Pananglitan 8. So, yes, human sa first presenter, mo interrupt si teacher. Sa human sa second presenter, mo interrupt si teacher. O pwede po nga si teacher would choose nga pahumanon sa ang 8, then mag-synthesize siya sa 8 ka presentation, no? Yes, after sir. Na. Or pwede po nga ang presenter tagaan og Manila paper, no? Ibutang ang Manila paper, i-paste aron visually makita sa tanan nga mga students ang 8 nga Manila paper nga i-synthesize ni teacher after sa 8 sa formal discussion nga gigroup na to into 5.
Yes, sir.
Di ba?
Yes, sir.
So, do you do this as a teacher? Small group discussion?
Sometimes.
Sometimes, no?
Sometimes.
Kaya, may...
time consuming man siya. Kaya daghan man.
Time consuming siya. Sige. Okay, continue, ma'am.
Okay. Next is informal discussion. Kani siya, this type of discussion, the teacher will be the one to discuss. So this is what usually happen in my class or most of us teachers. This is our kind of discussion that we discuss a topic and then the student can share her ideas or opinions if she is asked.
Kanang sa classroom na ni ma'am, classroom discussion.
Yes, classroom discussion.
Mura informal siya kay everybody can contribute.
Yes, sir.
Walay guide question. Si teacher ang mag-facilitate.
Yes, sir.
So,
this informal discussion kay kung if you only have few students, maka-participate ang tanan, but ang disadvantage po ani nga discussion is that kung daghan na kay estudyante dili maka-participate ang mga estudyante tanan.
So sa inyong case, ma'am, okay ra ni informal discussion. Mga tagpila ra din estudyante, ma'am?
A total of 50 students at Iliana Bibi College.
Lisod kayo, no? Mag-informal discussion mo. Gawas na lang kung magpatawag ka og napulo ka buok, pabilin sa moron, natay tutorial kay murag gamay ang inyong score. No? Sa DepEd naman gud nang tawagan na nila kana bang after school ba katong mga gagmay bitag score ilahang unsay tawag nila na ilahang tuturan. So murag informal discussion ang mahitabo. No?
Yes, sir.
Sige.
Okay. So we have also parliamentary discussion. So for parliamentary discussion mao ni siya ang mura siya debate nga discussion, debate jud siya nga naay opposing side, naay positive ug negative, and then they will come up with a best solution or the best kung unsa man jud ang madaog, positive ug negative side.
In the teaching of literature,
yes,
can we make use of parliamentary discussion, ma'am? Can we make use of debate as a method in teaching literature?
Teaching literature. I th- I'm not really sure about it, sir, pero in my own idea, I think it would be possible to para makuan jud ang depende sa kanang mga questions, sir. Depende sa question nga ihatag or sa story. But I think it would be possible.
Ah,
Or the
dili man kinahanglan siguro nga story, no?
oh,
Pwede man pud kay
oh,
sa isa ka story lain-lain man sila pananglitan na ay mga i-divide nimo og conservative o kaning liberal no ang imong klase. Then ang inyong topic ay how my brother Leon brought home a wife, no? So kinsa man tong mga liberal unsay sa ilang side, kinsa man tong mga conservative unsa po ang ilang side. Dayon sa parliamentary discussion, uh, kuan lang, dapat kabalo ka unsay mga format sa debate, no? Dili lang kay bisag kinsa, like kung kuan ka kung modified Oregon Oxford nga method sa debate, so naa na siya sequence nga i-follow, naa na siya time limit, napod siya kinsay acting nga mga juror. So as a teacher dapat kabalo ka ana, so dili lang kay puli-puli, no? So naay format sa mga debate.
yes,
No,
sir.
so I usually do this sa akong mga nursing student, no, kanang mga nursing student nako under nako sa ethics, mga ethical discussions kay mga debatable man na mga topic. So i-divide nako akong wa pa ko kasulay ani sa teaching literature.
Okay.
Pero kuan ni siya, pwede available siya nga kuan, available siya nga method, no. So the teacher may choose. Okay, continue.
Thank you so much, sir, for contributing, for sharing about it. Yes, kanang sa literature, when it comes to literature, wala pa po kay ko idea, but because of what you've said, maybe this one is possible. Kay nindot kay siya, kay ganahan magud ang mga estudyante og kanang debate. Makutaw jud ilang huna-huna pud ani nga this method in teaching.
O kato lang ingon ako ma'am nga kung mo choose ta ni dapat kabaluta no
Sa
kung unsa nga format sa debate ang atong
yes.
i-follow,
Yes,
no?
para na ay sistema.
Oh, naay system. Otherwise, dili mahuman ang walay conclusion, no? So naay two speakers from the negative side, two speakers from the positive side, naay mga interpellations, no? Naana siya. You can search that sa mga forms sa debate nga gusto nga pwede mahitabo sa classroom, no? Sige. Thank you, ma'am. Next
Okay.
na.
Thank you, sir. So the story that I have chosen is The Boy Who Cried Wolf. I don't Aesop in 1867. This is a fable. I don't know if this one is literature.
Yes,
Consider.
it is a literary piece, ma'am.
Okay.
Dito na ka sa ikaduha, ma'am, no? How discussion method is used in this topic.
Yes.
Are you going to do that?
Yes.
So unsaon na pagbuhat nga discussion method?
Yes.
Nga ang topic niya is The Boy Who Cried Wolf.
Yes.
And specifically unsa man nga type nga discussion imuhang kuan ma'am gusto ani?
The Boy Who Cried Wolf, kani siya nga discussion. I would like to panel informal discussion.
Informal discussion. Sige. Pwede man pud ma'am nga kung naapay time,
yes.
Pwede po ka mag-sample ba how
yes.
formal discussion is done in teaching literature, how informal discussion is done in literature, how parliamentary discussion is done in teaching literature kung naay time. Pero
yes.
kung wala na time, pili lang kag usa.
Okay. How formal discussion is done in literature. Formal discussion, I would like to choose formal discussion, sir, because I have the freedom to facilitate the student.
Okay. Sige ma'am, dili man kinahanglan kuan naman nimo ma'am, i-narrate naman nimo how is this done.
Yes.
Okay.
So I would like to choose the method formal discussion. In formal discussion, this will be the knowledge, the question that I'm gonna ask the student. So in the formal discussion, we need to as teachers, we have to develop the higher thinking in thinking process through a discussion. So the higher thinking processes are knowledge question. So kaning knowledge question with regards to the story of the boy who cried wolf, we can ask them about what did the shepherd boy do. So what did the shepherd boy do? And this will be the knowledge question. And comprehension question that I will ask them is, why are the villagers angry with the boy? So they will
Before you
yes,
proceed,
yes,
we presume
yes,
nga gihatag na nimo ang literary piece nila.
yes.
So
Yeah.
murag classroom setting na ni ma'am ba? No nga a day unsa man one meeting prior to the discussion ihatag nimo daan as assignment, reading assignment. Dayon or diha na that time.
Reading
Is the
assignment.
reading assignment. Then
Yes.
pagkahuman pag-abot sa classroom, mag formal discussion method mo.
Mag-story sa sir. After the story, then I will ask them.
Giparead nimo ang story, then
Yes.
usbo na pud ang story sa classroom.
Yes.
Kinsay mag-usab sa story ang teacher.
Yes, sir.
So double na, nakakuan sila, nakabasa, plus nakadungog pag yun sila sa teacher.
Yes, sir.
And then pangutan-on dayon nimo sila.
Yes, I will. I'm thinking mga elementary students, sir.
So elementary students.
Yes.
Sige. Okay, continue, ma'am.
Oh, yes. Comprehension questions. Why are the villagers angry with the boy? And then application question, based from the story, how will you apply the lesson you have learned? So, if ma-answeran ni sa mga bata, then they will know the value and the lesson of the story. Okay. Kaning the boy who
Excuse,
cried.
ma'am.
Yes.
Kaning sa knowledge question, pila ka buk bata imong pangutan-on? Sa comprehension question, pila ka buk sila tanan?
No,
magbalik-balik ang ilang answer, ma'am.
Isa-isa ra jud ka bata, sir.
So isa ra ka bata ang mo answer sa knowledge question. What if dili ma-answeran?
I will ask another student. Hantod nga na maka-answer. Kung dili ma-answer, ako mismo mo answer.
I-provide sa teacher.
Yes, sir.
So i-provide ng teacher. Now, kani sa third question, kaning application question,
yes,
ma'am.
Sir.
Based from the story, how will you apply the lesson you have learned? So unsaon man siya? Verbal or oral gihapon nga mutubag ang mga bata?
Verbal gihapon jud siya, sir.
Dayon,
they will apply
man,
it sa ilang.
They will paminawon sa teacher.
Yes.
Pila ka buk bata ang kanon, ma'am? Pansiron.
Depende sa question, sir.
Kanira man ang question. How will you apply the lesson you have learned?
Napay kani question synthesis evaluation.
Unya pa. Katusa, pila ka buok nga bata ang pansiron ato? Kaning application question.
Isa-isa ra jud, sir.
Isa ra gyud.
Isa.
So dayon after sa answer sa bata, i-explain sa teacher.
Yes, sir.
So dili pabayaan nga maora toy answer, then dili kabalo ang uban kung okay na ba to.
Nay additional. Yes, sir.
So the teacher has to say na all right, your answer is this and it's a valid answer or it's not a valid answer, so we ask somebody else.
Yes, sir.
Okay, continue.
The teacher has to guide the student and have an additional discussion, sir. And then we have also analysis question. How does the boy improve his trick when he does it a second time? This time, usa lang gihapon ka estudyante akong pangutan-on, and if his answer is not right, I will try to explain it, and then mag additional pug kog mga lesson, or if it's not right, I will give the right answer. Synthesis, at the end of the story, the boy has lost the trust of the townspeople. How can the boy solve this problem and gain the trust of his townspeople again? So I believe na ang mga bata makabalo sila sa mga idea ani. Wait. Kabalo na sila sa idea if they have if they listen to the story. And then we have evaluation question. Why do the villagers not believe the boy the third time he cries wolf? And if I tell them the story, then they will be able to answer this question too. And ang technique po ani nako sir is that I will also send them videos. Kinamo ni siya sa YouTube.
Ang video ma'am ihandaan or sa classroom tanawon?
If if allow na ang face to face, we can watch it together.
Sige, kuan lang
Yes.
ma'am. Ang ato i-presume diri nga allow na lang, no?
Oh, allow.
Kaya di man ni magdugay ning kuan,
Oh, yes.
ning COVID. Mawala na ni ka January. No?
We
So pananglitan sa classroom, you watch them, no? Kay mubo raman siguro ni siya.
yes.
Dayon, okay. So, naka-evaluation question, ma'am. Evaluation ni siya sa mga estudyante or sa assessment na ni siya part?
Assessment na ni siya sir. Kung nakasabot ba
And how
sila
are
sa
you
story.
how are you going to do this assessment? Written or saan ni siya? Oral?
Oral Russell based sa ilang tubag.
Dayon, mag-evaluation ka, isa-isa kanila question, ma'am. Kay
Ay,
mag-rating
oo.
naman ka ni, assessment naman ka ni.
Ay. Maybe
Assessment na ni or apart pa ni sa discussion? Part pa siguro ni sa
part pa ni
discussion.
siya sa discussion sir, part pa ni. Okay.
So ang assessment is
Well.
isa-isa manggod sila, ma'am. Either mag-quiz ka, no? Or mag-oral ka. Kung mag-oral ka, dugay ka mahuman. No? So
Yes.
unsa may assessment after sa discussion method, ma'am?
I think assessment, this will be part of their quiz.
Mag-quiz ka.
Oh, yes, part of their
after.
quiz. Yes.
So,
I also get
pwede
the
man po
quiz.
nga kung quiz, ma'am, maghimay-tabo, mura ra siya og head level, no? Kung kasagaran man god ang assessment nga quiz, igora sila mag-recall. So sa our literature dili kay siya effective kung mag-quiz as a form of assessment.
Yes.
Mas maayo pa nga magpasulat kanila, no? Aron mas effective or magpa-group activity ka, no? Aron ang activity ma-engage sila, dito na ang ilahang cooperation ng ilang learning, dito nimo i-assess, no? Kay kinaraan naman gud nang mag-quiz inig kahuman.
Okay.
No? So labi na kung literature dili kay siya effective, no? So ang mahitabo makakol lang sila pero dili nila ma-appreciate, dili nila mahinumduman, dili nila ma-apply. No? So karaan na siya nga method kanang paper and pencil quiz after sa discussion, no? So karon nga murag kuha na siya o i-rank na siya, pinaka lowest na siya nga form of assessment, no? So kung progressive ka nga teacher, mangita kag lain, no? So unsa ka si continue daw ma'am sa imong method.
So mas maayo da ito ang answer, ang groupings na lang sila when it comes to assessment in this in a particular story or literature.
As observed, ma'am, sa ako ang teaching experience, no? Naka-realize na ko nga mas ma-retain, mas ma-appreciate sa mga bata ang mga literature or literary pieces.
Yes.
Kung dili sila magsigig basa dayon kanang mga who, mga what, mga where ilang ansiran, no? Murag kuan ra kay na barabag kanang tapaw ra kaayo.
Yes, sir.
No? May ipa-engage nimo sila, no? Mga role play, mga group discussions, kanang mga small group, no? Or kanang mga open-ended questions, no? Then pwede po i-gamify nimo, ma'am, gamitan nimo og mga games, no? So kuan na. Pero kung ang maestra kanang siya tawag ana kanang dili ba creative, no? Mo stick lang gid siya dito sa kuan, stick siya sa paper and pen, no? Pero kung maestra nga creative, dili na siya magkuan, dili na siya magsigbalik-balik anang paper and pen. Dayon, no, kuan man po na siya, discriminating po na siya kanang paper and pen when it comes to kanang assessment bitaw sa literature. Kay I'm sure naagi mga dili ka recall ana, pero nakasabot. Pero naa siya ay method of kaning application, no? So ang literature man god dili kay ni siya effective kung kaning mga 5 Ws and 1 H nga mga question, mga objective ba, no? So I do not know, pero as observed, no, sa ako ang mga klase, mas ma-enjoy ang mga bata, mas maka-learn sila, stress kaayo aning magsigtuon aning mga objective, no? Mas makarelate sila kung tagaan nimo sila og mga group activities, then makita nimo ang ilahang mga creativity, no? Ma-amaze ka nga hala, kaya dani nila. Pwede gali sila magbuhat og kuan ma'am kung kaya kanang mag-animate ba sila ba, ipa-retell nimo ang story in their perspective, or pabuhaton nimo sila og ilahang ending, no? Dayon ipabuhaton nimo og animation. Kung ang imong mga estudyante capable, ha, dili ka magpataka lang pod nga taga-bukid imong estudyante, assignan nimo og animation na dili gali kabalo mo gamit og computer. So dili pod pwede. So depende sa student. So depende sa kuan ba sa kalidad sa mga estudyante. Basta dili gyud ta mo limit dito sa objective type. No, kay kinaraan na lagi ng objective type. Muna na tinapulan na siya nga trabaho sa teacher, walay challenge. No? So dili ma-alive ang atong classroom ana. Mag-ugot ang mga estudyante ana, magsigtuon din pag human di magamit, no? Magsig-memorize ba di magamit sa kinabuhi sa ilang practical life, no?
Yes.
Sige, continue ta ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. We learned a lot from your ideas. So we have appropriate use of discussion method. Discussion method is used in areas in which students already have some knowledge or experience, and discussion may be used to develop the main points to be covered in a lesson. So based on what you have, based sa imong istorya, sir, there are many ways nga ang mga estudyante, they will be able to share the experiences and mas exciting ang ilang pagtuon. Pwede i-gamified, pwede group, pwede i-animate, but it depends upon also the capability of the student. And student can draw on their experience to contribute on the discussion. So mo ni siya nindot kay ang discussion method because the student will be able to contribute to the discussion, especially if gabasa jud sila sa literature or sa piece nga gihatag. Discussion may also be used following a lecture or demonstration. The help trainees apply what they have learned. So, gimension naman gani nga after there will be a demonstration para ma-apply jud nila sa ilahang life or mahinumduman jud nila. And this will be a creative way nga maganahan maminaw or ganahan magtuon or mabilin jud sa mga estudyante ang lesson. Next is the advantage of discussion method. So, discussion method, thinking and communicating powers. So, through discussion method, ma-develop jud sa mga estudyante or mga bata ang ilahang speaking skills. And they will also be able to develop, I believe, their confidence when speaking. And they will also have the leadership quality, especially when kung i-group na sila, na representative, and the one who will represent the group will be able to practice leadership because he is representing the group. Next is the expression ability. They will really be able to express themselves. Okay, they will share their thoughts and their ideas, and whatever is on their minds, they will be able to express